All right, you guys. So today we're going to go over the charts, but let me go over last week's numbers. And basically, I want you guys to really pay attention to what I'm going to talk about today, okay? So you can see that we had a total of 17 wins and we had three losses, which were very, very small 13 pips, 36 pips, only 22 pips. We still got two trades that's open and running right now, but we did have a very, very massive win week last week. As you can see right here, we had over 1,100 pips, and we've been at 85% to 90% win rate for doing pretty well over the last couple of weeks. So we've been making people a lot of profit. And that doesn't include the gold scout trade and also the US 30, which has been banging like drums. All right. One of the things I want you guys to keep in mind that this week is going to be Christmas holiday week, so there's not going to be any big news events coming out. So if you're going to trade, to be honest with you, just stick into the trend. Take trend trades, okay? Anything that's within the trend, just take trend trades. If you can find something smooth and nice, that's cool. If not, to be honest with you, most of the traders that I know of are going to be taking this week off because the liquidity is going to be very, very low. So there's really no need to even be in the markets. Just take a break. If you want to go back test and do markups and stuff like that, that's cool. But for those who want to, I would look just basically, like I said, take a look at staying within the trend. Ocean Wave will be your friend. And keep this as your notes. Always remember that on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, you always want to only take trend trades. I'll say it again. Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, only take trend trades, okay? Trades that go with the trend, okay? Any reversal setups, supply and demand zone, support and resistance, it's going to just blow up your account, okay? So always stay in the trend until I would say about Wednesday morning, about 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Then you can start looking, 6, 7, whatever time after the London session, whatever time floats your boat, 5 a.m., whatever. But just on Wednesday is when you want to start looking for potential reversal setups. Now, the majority of them that I have been finding, because the market has shifted a little bit in its action, I do find that on Thursdays and Fridays is the biggest and best days for reversal trading, but you can find some reversal setups on Wednesday, which we do sometimes live in class. But up until then, just ignore any setup that you see. Just ignore it, in my personal opinion. Just ignore it. You may get lucky here and there, but majority of the time, it's just a false flag. They're just setting you up, okay? So I went over different pairs that, in the past that tends to stay within the trend. I would just take short ones, short, quick ones, just stay within that trend. It's not even really today. I'm not even going to go over charts because it's going to be misleading. I told you guys one of the biggest problems about charting over the weekend is that there's still movement happening over the weekend before the market opens for you. In other words, in the currency markets, the markets are always in motion. They never stop 24/7, but your broker shuts your trading platform down on Friday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and doesn't allow you to see or be able to participate in the markets until Sunday, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that means from 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday to Sunday, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, guess what happens? There's still a lot of activity going on in the currency markets. Money is always moving around the world. So by the time you actually get done with your markups and this and that, this is where those gaps be coming in, okay? This is where price action gaps be happening, or they call them, I forgot, they come up with all these fancy names. Gap fillers, whatever they call it. I forgot the name of it. But the bottom line is you'll see these little gaps between where it left off on Friday and opened up on Sunday or Monday. So that gap or that dip between the two, that is just hard to figure out. So especially on a holiday season where there's not going to be a whole lot of liquidity anyway, realistically, I would be doing you a disfavor by doing this. Now, will we be taking trades? Yeah, we'll probably be taking trades here or there, not many, because again, the liquidity is going to be low, but we're going to get in where we fit in. But for you guys, I'm just telling you for an example, let me say if I was to find something and say, okay, Uncle P, the markets are open, what would you look for? All right, let's see if I find something that I would say, okay, I like this. You know me, I'm a fan of when it goes flat, creates that spongy bob square head, then you get the breakout. Okay, so this is one that I would like, if I had to take a look right here. Okay, this is a wedge pattern, very simple wedge. Okay, it's already in an uptrend and it can break to the top. Okay, and there you go. So I will be looking for something like this. This is telling me, hey, market says upward motion. Okay, 30-minute time frame is still, see, the trend is still up. So this will be one that I will be actually, taking a look at. And you can see how it's squeezing in. Okay, you see that? It's just squeezing itself in. Okay, right here. See? And let's pull this out. So if anything, that's what I would be looking for. Little squeeze patterns. See if it breaks out to the top. You have your buy arrow right here. Let me make this bigger so you guys can see it. So you see it's just ping-ponging and it gets tighter, tighter, tighter. And then all of a sudden, it breaks out of that pattern. Okay, so that's what I would be looking for, me, myself. But again, because of low volume, you may get little trades here and there, but majority of the people are out of the market, so don't expect a lot, okay? So that'll be the only thing I'm going to do today. In the meantime, you guys have a happy holiday. I do have the holiday special still running for you guys. So for those who are wishing to get involved with the holiday special, please go right ahead for the $99 special for the Simplicity System in the Ocean Way. We'll probably never do that again. I don't know what was wrong with me when I even thought of that, but, it's all good. So take advantage of that, and I'll see you guys after the holidays. Now, remember, I'm going to be making a big announcement because we're going to be making some changes. We really want to focus on helping people who really want to be helped. We have a lot of people come in and out like swinging doors, and they're just so uncertain. We want to stick with the people who really are serious because we work hard on what we do behind the scenes to make sure that we make people profitable. And so we only want people there who are really ready to be profitable, because one of the other things that's going to be coming up that you guys are unaware of is, and it's happening right now. I just saw another article where another bunch of major companies literally have shut down. Party City or whatever those, they came in and told all their employees right before Christmas that, hey, today's your last day. See, so this is why we have to have backup income so that we're not one trick pony. So if you lose one income, guess what? There's always another. Does that make sense? Okay, so this is where we come in. We can help you start building positive net income in the background while you're working jobs or whatever else until you're ready to quit the job or whatever you decide to do. But this is where we come in. Okay, so we just want to work with serious people at this point. I think I'm really tired of dealing with people who just are not serious. They're in and out, in and out, in and out. They expect a miracle because they expect you should never lose any trades at all. So even if we do like we've been doing for the last several weeks, I've been posting it, showing that we're having major, major wins. And if we have any drawdown, any pullbacks or whatever, they panic, they piss, they get upset. If we lose one trade, we won 17 trades this week. But if some people are only going to focus on the small 3 that we lost, that's all they're going to focus on. All we hear is negativity about, oh, you lost a trade. But yeah, it was only 13 pips. We did you over 1,100 pips. But all we're hearing about, oh, you lost 22 pips here. Oh, you lost it. I'm done with that. I really don't. I don't have the energy to deal with people like that this coming year. So I just want to deal with serious people. So let me know, hit me up. Let me know through the comments, or let me know through email, superezforex@gmail.com, super E as in echo, Z as in zebra, forex@gmail.com. Let me know if you're going to be serious on 2025. We are strategizing with some other plans and other things coming out, but I only want to deal with serious people at this point, okay? Because it takes a lot for what we do, stress and everything else for my team, trying to make sure that we're making sure people got, income coming in for themselves, because we could just do this by ourselves. Me and my team, we can just huddle up and just be prosperous by ourselves, but we're trying to help other people, but we only want real people, okay? All right, you guys, be blessed. Have a happy holiday. Talk to you later.